In this video, I'll show you how to add contact form 7 to WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Contact Form 7, then install and activate the plugin. Next, go to Contact, then click Contact Forms. You'll see a default contact form that's created automatically. You can edit this form or click Add New to create your own. After that, customize the form by adding or removing fields such as name, email, subject, message, or any other information you want to collect. When you're finished, click Save. Now copy the shortcode for your contact form. Then open the page or post where you want the form to appear, paste the shortcode into a shortcode block, and save your changes. Finally, visit your website and submit a test message to make sure the contact form is working correctly and emails are being delivered successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add contact form 7 to WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.